Shannon, come on, man.
You ready?
You ready, guys?
Tell me what first thing I just said, you don't make me start laugh when you talk.
So why you laugh when we talk?
You don't understand why you're stressed up your is doing.
I'm gonna know.
Ready?
Jesus.
Hi, man, evening.
It's the thing with this eye. Just so you're about it.
Just a hi, man, evening.
Like you expect you.
Alright, go on, come quick, come. Alright, Jesus. Well
Hi, Marlon, evening.
what on it? Where? Oh, we are not.
Take a seat, anyways.
Oh, yeah, no, boy.
Can't wait.
I think you should take it by yourself. Look at the side, you get the walk. Get the walk here, you come. Right. Oh, yeah, no, come here. Let me see you. Where you come, boy? Pussy clap, you see the guy from the other side. Yo, where you come, boy? You're going to say no.
I was about to.
Oh, you sit down.
You spoil it up, chop.
No.
Again, from outside.
Yeah, go on from outside. Let's go.
You just
Quick,
spoiled
fast.
it.
Hush, man.
Yo, 200 year master beat one.
Marlon, evening. Look for when I call your phone. You know some come up here, don't it? So you're supposed to have the money to give me. Where is it?
I didn't expect you. Anything about it. Walking in here like
Today is Saturday.
Walking in here like a little prostitute. What kind of
Really?
example that I said to yourself?
Really? I don't make my son a travel.
Jesus Christ.
I don't make my son a travel.
You know, see when I leave you?
No.
Ken, listen to me now. See? How long now me not see you?
Marlon, my money will forgive me.
You keep on asking about money, and that's a hear from
My
me.
son, him a go to school
Yeah, I understand that.
and him eat and him walk go places and him wear clothes.
And you have a
And
father,
uniform.
and you're supposed to see him. So why you can't see him?
I always tell him to come and watch you come with me.
No, I can't come and watch him. I have busy days of a run. I can't do business come
But
on.
I always tell him to come and watch you come with me. But you know I come down there, don't you? They want me to come over here.
Boy, time up. At the overpass. Run out nights.
How would this I call you?
Hold on. What's this? Shh. Hello? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, me I hear now. Alright. Listen.
Don't talk about me, Avan. Don't do it. Don't do it. But we're more, yeah?
Yeah, man, understand you where you want, but
Yeah.
you need, you have a son, you need to show respect. Because that is not appropriate for the road, okay?
When they didn't meet me, how many dress?
Worse than that still, but
Really?
you have a child now, you need to dress like a grown woman.
Anyway, just give me the money.
Looking like a prostitute on the street, what is that? That's not a good example for you. That's the damn thing. Very hard. Impromptu. Eh? Right, think about brother. Me not talk about your prostitute. Go on.
Yeah, you're like a prostitute, actually. Yo.
Don't come to the damn prostitute because some like a damn.
Yes. Anyhow,
Where money there?
you're not focused on my youth. You can't
I don't know what it's now.
Where's that? But you like that? No, that can't cut, man. She has to sit down here, so we have to. Eh?
Kevin, you're not going to tell you.
Yo, come quick. That man want lie. Go back.
Yo, yeah.
Anytime.
Oh, look, it's not my foot. They look at me, I don't look at my leg. They will tell him, "Come on, look at your foot." You know, well,
I don't know, so.
hold up your head.
No, nobody with that. Nobody with that. Let's see how we reverse the treatment that way I get to know. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh, the chair.
I girl, wake up the boy.
Yeah.
You see?
I'm not wait up. I just
No, you
When
just
the
can't
man-
wait. You just me a floor you.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Where water? One buck there.
Shit, orange juice.
What's the matter? You have to eat
No, man, we not do that.
so further down the line, they must start a fight, you know,
Yeah.
and go tap out the money for picnic, and then
That's
swap for
right.
them.
Yeah.
Action.
What no?
Why if you go at the back and look for the two pen them around there, you notice one of the screw come off for the angle for the gate. Just make sure you take off that and fix the pen and clean out if you clean out around the back. And the little line around there where you see it look like it might get slim, give more food. I mean, the idiot thing every place. And you don't know government and terrible nowadays, you know, they try to get some farm and clean it going.
Yeah. Come to. Action.
Yes, boss. Alright, boss. Yes, boss. Lion, boss. The 3 them still no boss, but 3 boss, may I be, boss. Alright, boss. Right away, boss. Alright.
Come. Action.
So I don't know.
Just they are going easy.
So not show me then I stay, no?
No, hold on. Remember the artist part.
Go back to the
Oh,
creative
artist
part.
part.
Yeah, artist. It's an artist also. So, action.
So ask him back a question.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ask him back the
yeah.
artist question.
Yeah, action.
So me know you say one artist about where so.
Yeah, but like you don't know that already. You have to make him stay here so because you don't know anything already. Road manager and the manager for him to see him here. Every song when you sing I'm right. So you have like you don't know.
No, you never tell me that.
That you don't really like load up the thing, you know what I mean?
Alright then.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm motive.
Just there, you know. Let them know what I'm going on. That's science.
Action.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
What do you mean why me I do right this? Are you hear this? Is this your yard or something?
Action.
Man.
Action.
Yeah, ready?
Action.
Hear me now, my brother. Me's a very serious man. And I don't want to hurt you. I know you too long. Guess what I say? So here what you see that little house there where me I build around in the back around there, so? You see how long me I build it? How long me I build it now? About alright. And you me I build it from. You know why? I don't like how you look for me, man. Yes.
No, not pre-owned.
Alright, watch what me check for you now. I'll be like nice little house around there, so if you say anything you want, I throw it down here in the morning. And I'm going to be like intercom and you talk to me. Anything you want, I throw it down here. You good, sir? The little room we're in there, sir. Me I rent it to one of my virgin from Russia. So, you don't know, I fear that around there, sir. You saw it was it?
So when you don't, me I go in there?
Yes.
Oh.
And if you behave yourself right, you're going there now.
Thing good, boss.
Action.
Marlon? Marlon? How much part in there? Marlon? So Marlon over there standing him not answer me. Marlon? You know you may call you? No. It's a joke. You alright? Can't stand there?
Pharmacy, you can't sit down anyway. You're responsive, please.
So I don't understand why you sit down yourself.
Go. Action.
And you know what? As a matter of fact, me come from around the back a while ago. And me nearly stepping on some dog shit, so you need to go clean it up. Me don't understand how you sit down around us and not do nothing. And you come talk about say, hope me enjoy my time while it lasts. It's going to be very, very long. Very, 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 very long. So I'm sorry for you.
It don't really matter to me.
Sorry for you.
It don't matter to me how long you want to stay. See? But me ask you a question. I really me wake up with your mind this
I
morning.
never wake up with up on my mind.
You notice me there, I'm not say nothing to you.
Curtis tell me so the toilet bung up and you need to come fix it. And that, oh yeah, me just remember that me come look for you about. You need to go fix the toilet.
But the thing about it is, why you never tell him to come to me yourself? Why you have to come?
The man busy, I do something. And him say go and go look for him.
But are we into
I'm come down here so I talk to you good, I give my attitude.
Me I give attitude? Look at yourself, my associate attitude, man. Everything good still. Everything well, you know?
Oh Lord, just make sure by the time I go around there so the dog shit them clean up and you reach upstairs to do what you have to do.
Just keep on your shirt with a picture with it, man. You alright, yeah? Really hard going to find this place, alright?
Fast.
Action. Stay low here.
You know what, as a matter of fact, me I come from around the back a while ago and me nearly stepping on some dog shit. You need to go clean it up. Me not understand how you're there around here so sit down and not doing anything.
Hold on, let me ask you a question. And me, you come out?
Chuck.
Where you come from?
Come here, laugh.
Where you laugh?
Alright.
Can you think that is in for your shirt? Me now put that body one, put that shirt.
Ready.
You that one. Ready?
Hey,
Let
action.
me ask you a question. You wake up with me for your mind this morning or something like that?
Youth. Are you come? You want us to build a conversation?
You must
Alright,
start
let me
it, so.
step back the part where what the part?
Alright, come back, better.
Let me just say all of my
cut and
part
start
and
work
then you
again.
start, yeah?
Damn it, damn boy, get your teeth out.
This a record already?
Really?
Yeah, man, that one you record already.
So now catching her.
Yeah, man, yeah, go on.
Hey. And so we sit, girl in a the fete and them a wine till them a sweat. But a girl when you have you, that's a if you no get. They get a girl faster than how you light the cigarette. You want to see a bed? Girl, if you want to muggle off your body, I want to see it. Can't time for no hide and pay. Can't bother with the hide and seek. She not do the discreet, she a bubble by me. 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 Ooh, when she a bubble, and she a bubble, a trouble. When she a bubble, and she a bubble, a trouble, me girl. She a bubble by me. All she a gone, a the wine me a breathe. She a wine, and she a touch honey. Me nah fi walk slow wine by me. When she back it, and she in half past 3. This girl now wine like she want take away all the me have, but I don't mind as long as she no fall by the job. Anything you want, don't put it down for me. Tell me one fi bring you back in a me lap. She a bubble by me. 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 When she a bubble, and she a bubble, a trouble. When she a bubble, and she a bubble, a trouble, me girl. She a bubble by me. I going like a car school.
And
Yeah.
action.
Yeah, man, you know, I'm doing the thing though.
Yeah, man. Are you
Again.
Go on again. Action.
I'm doing the thing though, get out the boy type place and everything, so everything over there.
Yeah, man. You know, so you can control that business, you know, okay? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. For 1, 2, man.
Yeah, man. But, yeah, man, sir. Now that really call about him. Karen, man.
Can.
Yeah, man.
Can.
Yeah, man. I see him girl, Karen, man. I keep an eye on her.
But you know, me watch man working though.
I don't really watch my work. I'm sure you walk one. The girl run off with 1 million for me.
Eh?
Yeah, man. But you more you do for me. You see, if you see her with a man,
Yeah.
cut.
And action.
I'm gonna
Start over again.
Yeah, man.
Ask me that.
Alright, action.
For me, I don't find him like it. Isn't it?
Yeah, let me still happy here, bro. You're looking at camera. Yeah. Again, turn on.
So then when I say I go where I go?
Hold on, stop. I'm ready now. Sorry,
Ready.
So babe, when I say I go where I go?
Yes, you know, so about the next 2 weeks more we go work. And more than I try to line up a car rental business. Yes, you think you can rent out to make them come back?
Sure, but one problem, of course, you can manage anything.
I got rent one local office in my town and get one laptop. And I just about 10K when I started. 6 grand a week.
Where put it down?
Oh, it's your signal.
On your signal. Action. You know, you used to be so cute. You're serious? Alright, come again. Action.
Hey, what to make here? Wait, tell me, I care.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, what? Everything there for me?
Yeah, the 30 barrel and the 2 container.
Alright, baby. Yeah, that's why I love you so, you know. I'm going to do it out here. Tell them, man. And the barrel, the barrel might be in everything. Container be in the car.
Everything.
Alright, and the 2G.
You said everything is there.
Yes, baby. Oh, I love you so.
Again. Bumbo climb my F-50 second.
Think man that fly the door.
Yeah, man, I'm wicked, man, I'm wicked.
Everything good in the dog.
Just cut down pace.
We're not cutting.
We not cut.
Your battery?
Yeah, but you.
How much you pay?
Red and a blink.
It's a shooting, man. Come.
I don't say action.
Yeah.
No, let's come in same time. Let's stay one of them. We'll just cut it and fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Come in.
What's it?
What?
Someone else.
Yo, what is that? Are your friend?
My friend,
Yo.
So your friend them. Oh.
Come on.
What's that?
Weird. Who this?
I'm a friend, man. I'm a female friend.
Yo.
Sit down, so don't panic. Bear here, yeah? Sit down.
Easy, man. Easy, my lad. You want that Jeep, my lad?
Boss, give me anything you want, please.
You want that Jeep?
Or yourself.
Talk to him from the door.
Oh, we have something
Yo.
for you.
You want that Jeep, my lad?
I'm not afraid, but we have something for you.
Boss, me and her are pinning together and ride up one if you see them, please.
What?
Please.
You never put it together?
Yeah, me baby one.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you're wicked. Shoot them, they're wicked. What kind of wicked people?
And you forget shoot and you have your woman and you tell me say you have woman.
Oh, what is? No,
Yo. What are we jamming?
No, watch out. You mean I say no?
So you tell me say you can't woman in the house of me then?
I know, woman, she not come in here, you know. She just come pick up some things for him. And him and her, they know.
Yeah, but them one about a female woman, no. They don't, you and them, you have to go tell say why say.
Who know?
What not talk about?
Who now wicked?
Boss, it don't show me. If anybody has to show me.
about.
Alright, sorry.
Shoot them over there, so.
Him, yo, shoot them. And them are the wicked. And them not like God, man.
Shit.
Them not like your bossy.
Pause.
Pause.
Nobody move.
Stay same place. Flash your hand, man. Like say the coward man, afraid that, yeah, you know? Them way there.
Then you know what you see at the bar.
Yeah, bring out some of my story.
Yeah.
Bring out some of my story. Yeah.
Yo, copy that. Now go back and phone now. I know why
give me car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, picnic business and all them sitting she have picnic. Your man a give you bun. You know say him give you bun.
You know me I say and you?
No,
Well, ask her when she man.
Where are you, Katie?
Let's slow more and catch man.
Oh.
No, it's old more do.
So your party gonna for me some?
Can you email come back?
Are you looking board? TK. When I shoot you, TK, you back to the door. So we don't want to see your pint going for nobody special. We want to see like, we don't want to who get shot.
Like a come out.
Yeah, come out and shoot.
So I'm gonna make a call and say, yeah man, me see them.
Yeah. Where's the killing? Where's the do it? Where's the do it? You have to kill him or her. Where's the do it?
Yes, I mean,
Where's the boss?
Where's the boss? Make it happen. That alone you want to.
Make it up.
How soon is that? Like next? Yeah, one massage. But catch on the free first.
No,
you know, everyone
catch the freeze first. I'm okay to freeze first.
Yeah, so that's what the gun see, man.
Like when the
that ear, CK. Yo.
Four and a half years.
Yeah. One pint, you go and find the guy too.
They don't even go. Hey, you will not. Gosh.
I might want to.
Alright, mannequin challenge. Pause.
Alright, can move on.
Hey, you guys about to do not shoot me. Do. I don't mean you are.
So my girl, who you?
Tell her who you know.
My girl, you may talk to you know? Who you? Man, who that?
I'm a baby mother, but I'm him and she and your man.
And your man look me and tell me say now nobody.
Me
say you have nobody. And I'm here to say your own land and live.
Yeah. Well done now.
You one of the person say me take things to me care for machine and take it go again.
No.
Say nobody care.
She can't. Hey, you weak.
Yeah. Come here, Nessa.
Hey, see you.
Come here, Nessa. Yo, let's start.
Hey, see you.
Come here, Nessa. You too. Run, Nessa.
I'm with the boss. I'm going to back.
Oh, so you're a man friend.
Boss, do not leave me. I want you, man. Yo.
Sure. You see you.
Vice me.
Hey.
And then you feel dead here.
You see you must dead, you know. Hey, shoot her, make it a thing.
Sure, I must still know.
Shoot her, make it a thing.
Stop talking, Jen.
A long time now,
See all you. I will not wicked, you know.
Yo, bossy. You know, I'm the girl in the jail, sir. What do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do?
Which?
Let's make up a float. Yeah, man. Yo, stop talking, Jen, boss.
You may say no,
Boss,
man.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Boss, please, boss.
You may say no, man.
Yeah.
My lad.
Boss, please, boss. I took a shot, boss, you know.
Hopefully,